Drop it! Ah, man.
Domestic calls are among the most unpredictable and dangerous situations officers face. In today's video, we analyzed two separate 911 calls that escalated into gunfire within seconds. One in Phoenix, one in Bakersfield. Both began with fear. Both ended in life-changing consequences. Let's examine the critical decisions and legal standards that shaped the outcome of both encounters. We begin in Phoenix, Arizona. Here is the 911 call.
Phoenix 911, where's the emergency?
Please, no, please, no.
911, where's the emergency?
Please, please.
Hello?
What? No. No, don't leave me.
Ma'am, where are you?
No.
Ma'am, I need to know where you are. Ma'am, what apartment are you in? Hello? Hello?
Phoenix Police! Phoenix Police! Phoenix Police, if you're in there, just come out. We just need to make sure you're okay. Here, get them out of here.
Hey, I'm gonna have to ask you guys to evacuate, okay? We got an issue over here. Yeah, on this neighbor right here. So if you guys can grab some shoes real quick.
After receiving no response from the apartment, officers began evacuating neighbors below and around the unit. Officers stepped back, discussing a tactical plan. Then a gunshot erupted from inside the apartment. Everything changed. Officers forced entry and began clearing the rooms. As they moved through the unit, they heard the victim screaming from the bathroom, "He has a gun to my face." Seconds later, the confrontation turned into gunfire.
Oh, there you go. That's inside.
All right. Hey, we got shots fired inside. We're gonna move the team up. Don't get in front of the door. Bunker up that window and tape that window. Make announcements.
Phoenix Police Department, come out with your hands up now!
Hey, hold on 1 second. Hold. I got screen.
Got screaming.
Screaming. All right, move.
Go.
Move.
Go.
Nice and easy.
Nice
move
and
towards the
slow.
screaming.
Nice
Guns
and
up.
slow.
Look for somebody.
Hey, watch this. That door's closed, so we're gonna take this one right here. Come to me. Right to the left.
Hey, pick up that right room.
That right? That room is right.
Hey,
Gotta get to that door. There's a bullet hole right through here.
all right. Move the bed. Bunker up on that door. Hey, take that door. Where's the ramp?
Phoenix Police! Hey, you have door to your left.
To me.
Oh, please. He's got a gun to his face.
Watch out.
Stop. Here, what? Gun down. Here. All right. To me.
He's got a gun to his face.
Here, what? Gun down. Here.
In moments like this, officers are forced to make life or death decisions in fractions of a second. Donald Ward opened fire. Officers immediately returned fire. He was struck during the exchange and pronounced dead at the scene. There was no time for hesitation, no time for debate, only reaction. Next, we go to Bakersfield, California. Deputies were responding to a 911 call from a woman reporting that a man she knew was attempting to break into her home. She had already been shot. Here is what happened next as we play the 911 call from this case.
911, what is the address of
Right now, I need to believe that one people stay outside.
What is the address?
What is right now? Hurry up.
What is happening?
I don't know. People have a gun.
Who has a gun?
The man outside. He have the hammer and he's pushing my door. Hurry up.
Is he trying to get your door open to your apartment?
Yes.
Do you know this person?
Yes, his name is Giovanni. Please carry out. Oh, come on, sister. You're not nothing.
Ma'am, when you're crying, I can't understand what you're saying, okay? What is his name?
The person is Giovanni. Giovanni, I don't know.
Giovanni, you don't know his last name?
No, Giovanni is the brother to the church.
Has he shot the firearm at all, or is he just threatening me with it?
He put the gun when I go to open the door, but I don't open. Oh my God!
Ma'am, they're coming to you as fast as I can. The deputies are on the way. I'm going to stay on the line with you, okay? Okay? I can hear him in the background.
Oh my God! He entered! Hermano, yo no le dije nada a la hermana. La hermana vino, pero yo ni siquiera le abrí nada, por favor. ¿Qué pasa? Yo no dije nada, yo no le hice nada. Hermano, yo no le hice nada. Yo no le he hecho nada a usted, brother. ¿Es en serio? ¿Qué le pasa? Yo no, la hermana vino, brother. Oh my God, brother. Yo no le hice nada.
What happened?
RB's advising there's a subject with a firearm to push open the door. RB's advising subject has shot the firearm through the door. Can be heard banging on the door.
Huh? Where's he at? Hey, get down! Get down! One eye gunpoint. Drop it! Hey, drop it! Drop it! Fuck! Hey, I'm hit! 255 Adam 999.
¡Tira la pistola! ¡Tira la pistola, estamos arresto!
Hey, I'm hit, bro.
Okay?
Yeah, my finger.
You okay?
Yeah, I can shoot.
Deputies arrived knowing the suspect was armed. Gunfire erupted. One deputy was struck when a round hit the pavement and ricocheted upward. Suspect Sadi Giovanni Diaz was struck and taken into custody. He survived. He now faces multiple felony charges, including attempted murder, kidnapping, and assault on a peace officer. The female victim survived her injuries, but the consequences of that morning will last far longer than the sound of gunfire. Domestic violence calls remain some of the most volatile and dangerous responses in law enforcement. Officers step into unknown environments, heightened emotions, and split-second threats. Every time they answer that call, they understand the risk. They know they may not walk back out. Courage is not the absence of fear. It is moving forward despite it. To the men and women who put on the uniform and respond when others call for help, we see you, we respect you, and we honor the risks you take. To those who made the ultimate sacrifice so that others may live in safety, your service will never be forgotten. You will forever be remembered. This is Texas Safety Watch. My name is Leo. I am a veteran and former law enforcement officer. This channel exists because of your support for me and my family. And for that, I am deeply grateful. Stay aware, stay safe, and we will see you in the next case. God bless.